Hi, Karen, and everyone over at Renaissance Roofing. My name is Christian Renna. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. I just wanted to make this short video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. So 3 things I want to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first of those being content. So content is king in the eyes of Google, but content is not just the words on your website. Content is also the pictures, what's behind the pictures, how the pictures are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, etc. So, there is a magic number. Content is king to Google. Google loves content. The more content you have, the more relevant content you have, the better off you're going to be. So, the number of words you want is 1,500 words minimum. So I didn't go through word counter, but just by taking a quick look at this website, I'm going to say on this page you got less than 600, okay? And then that's not just on that page. You want it on all your pages that you're trying to rank. So roof replacement looks to be an important one to you. And you have, I would say, less than 1,000. So you're going to want to add some content. Go in, check your content, use word counter, whatever website or app you want to use. But you're going to want to make sure to have 1,500 words minimum. And then you're going to want to make sure that included in those words are buyer intent keywords. Next, I would like to say good job on having this this Dropbox here for people to fill out their names. That's very good. I'm not sure how much business this in particular is bringing you. Hopefully a lot, because contrary to popular belief, your website can bring you more business than Home Advisor and Angie's List. And it looks like you understand the value of advertising because you got 97.1 the ticket on here. So you definitely get it. And hopefully this website is bringing you some buco bucks. But just a couple tricks you can use. So just remember 1,500 words, and then also the pictures. So depending how these pictures are saved. So a lot of times when somebody puts a photo on a website, it's just saved as whatever the original computer has pulled up to have it saved as. So it'll be like just image file with some numbers and letters behind it. Delete that and go ahead and put the correct content in there, because it's going to help you on the back end. And even though most people wouldn't recognize it, Google does recognize it. Okay, next thing is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that would include Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, just to name a few, Chamber of Commerce. The more locations that your business name, address, and phone number is listed, the more citations you're going to have. And the more citations you have, the higher up you're going to be in this map pack, is what we call a map pack. So I typed in roofing company, Plymouth, Michigan. You guys are number 2. So you're doing something right. You're behind Kearns Brothers and before Roof Advisor, right? But you're going to make sure you're going to want to stay there. You're going to want to stay there. And then you're actually number 1 for organic search, which is perfect. So you guys are doing a spectacular job in the Plymouth market, definitely. You're beating Kearns. So you're doing good. Whatever you're doing is working right now for the Plymouth area. But I wanted to show you is I typed in roofing company, Canton, Michigan. And we got Victor's, WeatherGuard, Roof Advance. Okay, you're not here. And from your website, it looks like you're maybe do some work there. And then over here, I typed in roofing company, Ann Arbor. A2 Roofing, Neighborhood Roofing, Mr. Roof. You guys aren't here. And then let's see in the organic search, you guys are not here either. So not sure if you're just trying to stick with Plymouth or if you'd like to expand, but just know that you can get your name out in these different cities by using citations and content. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is it's power to your website through other websites. So you have 125 backlinks coming from 43 referring domains. We get our information from Ahrefs. It's a tool we use, ahrefs.com. Basically what a backlink is anywhere that your URL is listed on the web, anywhere. And you got 125 from 43 referring domains. But what this is showing me, this is your domain rating out of 100, and you're at a 15. So what that shows me is that even though you have 125 backlinks, they may not all be coming from relevant sites. So they might be on places that you don't want them. That could be either spammy or not relevant to the roofing industry. So just go in and find out where your backlinks are and make sure that they're in the right place. And that's definitely going to help you out. And then the last thing is keywords. So I know you guys have somewhat of an idea of what's going on with keywords, but there's a couple that you're not ranking in. So I'll just give you one or two. Ann Arbor Roofing, 200 people every month type it in. You're in the 24th position. Roofing companies in Michigan, 100 volume, you're in the 30th position. So that's just some example of some keywords that you can implement into this website here, so you drive more business. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope you take these tools and use them to your best of your ability and to help you make some more money. So I hope your 2021 is good. Thank you for watching, and any feedback is appreciated or questions. Thank you.